In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin filter on a Honda CR-V. It is located underneath the right side of the dashboard. Here we are underneath the right side of the dash. You're going to have two 8mm screws for here and there. That's for your glove box door. You need to remove those. You want to push these two pieces together like this and pull down. And this tab here, you want to push forward like that, unlock it. Take your glove box and put it off to the side. This is your cabin filter door. It has two tabs, one here, one here. You want to push those in and pull straight towards you. Take your filter, slide it out towards you. Take your new filter. It's going to say airflow down. You want to match that with airflow down. Insert straight in. Take your door. Line up your tabs. Click it in. And make sure it's secure. Now you can take your glove box door, install it on the top first. Make sure those two tabs are on the inside of the dash. Take your clip. Go back into your glove box door, pull towards you, wait for the click. Install your glove box and latch it. And now you can do your two screws on the bottom. Once we get everything together, just make sure your glove box folds down and holds and latches correctly. And now you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.